I'm gonna show you guys how to make this nice NFC tags for your business, so you can go directly to your Instagram page, or you can do it for Google as well, Google and Yelp. It's pretty simple to do. All you need thermal paper, thermal laminating plastics. You can get it on Amazon for probably 15 bucks for 200 pieces. Laminating machine, it's the same, 15 or 20 bucks on Amazon. NFC tags like these big ones. They also sell this on Amazon, like stickers, NFC stickers, but comparing to these ones, they're too weak. See, this antenna is kind of large, so with these stickers you need to be like really close to the phone in order to activate the NFC. Grab this laminating thermal plastic, then you just put your printing, just flip it, grab one of these NFC tags, stick it something like this so it doesn't move. Use your laminating machine. That's it. It's already cut it for the size of my poster, of my stand. I'm just gonna run it one more time just to make sure it sticks all the way. So how to activate these NFC tags and how to make them work. It's also pretty easy. All you need, just need to go to your Apple Store or Google Store and type in for NFC tool. That's the app. You just download this app really quick. Then click right. Here you just go to add the record. Then you just click, let's say I want to do the link, right? And the link is, oh, you know what, I have a social media, and it's gonna be Instagram. Here we go. I protect phone repair. Okay, perfect. So it's ready. Then you just click right, approach your NFC, and that's it. It's all ready. So now when we try to tap this thing, open Instagram. Yep, that's our page. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just leave your comments.